Graph 3/4 and 3/8 on the number line. Well, I'm given a number line that's already split up into eighths. So the 3/8 part is actually really simple. There you have it. The part that's not so simple is 3/4. So I have to make believe that I'm cutting this number line between 0 and 1 into 4 parts. So me cutting it into 2 parts would be me splitting it in half right there. And then another part would be here, so half of that, and half of that would be there. So now this number line is split up into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. I need 3/4 of that. So 1/4 would be right here, 2/4 would be right here, and 3/4 would be right there, which lines up with 6/8. Now, the question is being asked, which number is smaller, the 3/8 or the 3/4? Well, we learned that 3/8 is to the left of 6/8, 3/4, on the number line. And if it's to the left of a number on a number line, that's going to be my smallest number. So 3/8 in this case is my smaller fraction.